Oh, I know how you feel when you need a haircut or when you need color. Now, I don't have any color because if I did, I'd be letting it grow out for sure. But what can we do? Let's just trim it a little bit and see what it looks like. Whoa! Alrighty. That's the look we're going for. Oh, my mother's gonna kill me. Oh boy. I have never done this. I've had some short haircuts, but I always had my little cockatoo on the top. Now you get to really see the shape of your head. Just like a newborn baby. Maybe it'll grow out before I see you guys. I don't think so. I don't think so. It kind of feels good. Well, anyway, that's for y'all. So be safe and healthy, and I hope to see you real soon. With maybe a little bit more hair.
You're glad I decided to wear pants today.